Hello everyone and welcome back to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today I'm going to be talking about on how you can get better at Fortnite by using a controller. Now, in order to just get better at Fortnite, doesn't matter if you're on a controller, on a laptop, on keyboard and mouse, on your phone, touch, doesn't really matter. What you want to do is play the game quite a bit. And sometimes you don't want to just play normal zero mode or normal modes. What you want to do is play where is this box, box PvP. That's what you want to do. You want to basically do some box PvPs. As you can see, there's 1v1s like this. Instead of those 1v1s, you want to do something called box PvPs. Now, for some reason, I can't seem to be finding it. Zombieland, Curse Crusades, Spider-Man Parkour. Alright, so I can't really find it. Alright, Trending Combat. Maybe it's gonna be here. Anyways, what you want to do is basically play a lot of PvP, play a lot of build battles, those type of stuff with your controller or your, keyboard and mouse, and that's gonna help you get better at Fortnite. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.